Abacha is a special delicacy from Enugu State and also part of Abia State called Isuochi. But this special delicacy is enjoyed by many, almost everyone. In today's video, I want to show you the exact way you can make Abacha right from the comfort of your home. It's quite easy and simple. Enjoy the video. Okay, I'm from Isuochi and we eat Abacha a lot. So in today's video and my activity in my African village, I want to show you how you can make Abacha right in the comfort of your home. Cassava. You can make this Abacha that you eat like Enugu Abacha, Isuochi Abacha, or even Mpataka, Tapioca, or wet Abacha. So whichever one you want. You know this cassava is very powerful. You can do it from this cassava. So don't go away. Sit tight. Let me show you the process. It's quite easy. Yeah, anyone can do it. By the time you finish watching this video, I'm sure you'll be able to do it. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and give us our thumbs up. The first process is to get your cassava. The quantity of Abacha you want depends on the quantity of cassava you have. So today we are just doing a little of it because I already have plenty cassava and plenty Abacha at home. I'm just doing this video to show you the Abacha. So when you get your cassava, you can peel this pattern or this way. The main thing is to remove the skin first. Okay? Very nice delicacy from Enugu State. Enugu State, Nigeria are known for this Abacha because they can prepare it in different ways, just like Isuochi people. When you come to my village in Isuochi, the first thing you are offered is Abacha. Isuochi in Abia State, Nigeria. When you come to your in-laws place or your friend's place, you are being welcomed with Abacha. If you are not giving Abacha, my friend, know if you are welcome or not. Check it off, ma. Go tell me if you do your face. Bend down. I will mock. I'll first of all apply ash and detergent at the back of my pot. This is to enable me wash it easily after cooking on charcoal or firewood. If you're still watching up to this time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share, as that will be appreciated. Thank you for supporting this channel of mine. We went ahead to set the fire while still peeling the cassava. That's to make our work faster. You don't need to cut them in bits now. You just cut them in a way that you'll be able to handle them while processing the Abacha, okay? Properly wash before cooking. Let's now wash. I just did this one without cooking in order for you to see that you can do it in two different ways. You can either cook the cassava first before slicing to this point, or you can cook the cassava before slicing into tiny bits of Abacha. Whichever one that goes for you is fine. So you don't put knife. Anything knife, if once water touches it. This is really plastering of pots. Ah, blessing. Remember, nothing is a waste in agriculture, especially on cassava. or rather in cassava. Cassava nothing is a waste. The back of cassava we peeled, we took to the goat. We have a goat at the moment in our garden, and all that we are giving to the goats. Even the pawpaw peels, we gave them to the goat as well. And this is also a feed for the goats. We just relax while eating pawpaw and waiting for our cassava to be properly cooked. We'll not allow it to cook up to 80% or more than 80%. When it's like 80% cooked, we bring it down. You go ahead and drain the hot water, allow it to cool off first before proceeding to slicing them into abacha. Guys, our cassava is ready, it's cooked to an extent. You don't allow it to get too soft, like very soft. Once it cooks like 80%, you are good to go. So the next thing now is allow it to cool off. Get red oil, apply it on your palm. This is to level it not to stick because it's so sticky. On the grater, this is also to make it easy to process. This is the grater. If you're having this type of grater at you don't use any of this size because it will come out very tiny. Unless you want your own to be very tiny, but the normal abacha and this size is perfect. Don't worry, I will wash it. By the time I dry and wash it, you will not know this abacha again. So this is the outcome of what I just did now. So in the talk about I fly now. So guys, as you're processing the abacha, as you're processing this, at the point where you can't handle the remaining cassava, return it to tapioca. So nothing is a waste in the process of making your abacha, okay? So now abacha, you can do this and you can do that. Both are from the same source. Don't just waste it. You can see what I'm doing. I'm using this small ones, their hands cannot hold. Maybe the grater to do this. Let's no problem. we are done making the slicing the abacha in dish. So the next thing is to spread it, allow it to dry first, and then we proceed. So allow it to dry. Also la victory. At this point, it's almost ready.
If you test it, you see that.
After I had washed the already sliced cassava into abacha, I sprayed them to be properly dried, as in 100% dried, and this is the outcome. Hola guys, our abacha is 100% ready. With this detailed video of mine, I want to believe you can be able to process abacha at home. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.